Hi there, my name's Crazy Dave. For this experiment I have two weights hanging on strings suspended from a horizontal string. If I lift and drop one of the weights it will start swinging. And for some reason beyond my understanding, the second one also starts swinging all on its own. But after a while, the first one, the left-hand one, almost stops, and the right-hand one goes faster. But then, the left-hand one starts again, and the right-hand one begins to stop. And these keep alternating, one to the other, for no apparent reason. This effect can be more clearly seen by just watching the shadows on the wall. This effect follows a repetitive pattern and becomes quite hypnotic after a while. In an attempt to stay awake, I've moved the experiment out into the garden. I'm beginning to wonder if the boredom of COVID lockdown is having an adverse effect on me.